Hello and welcome to this presentation on Allied Digital's Remote Managed Services. My name is Charles Spencer and I'm the Practice Manager for Remote Desktop Managed Services, and today I'm going to be spending some time with you talking about our user environment and the desktops and notebooks which they use. Today's discussion is going to be specifically about desktop management and how Allied Digital's remote services can help add to your primary business benefits by significantly reducing the desktop laptop support costs, increasing your users' productivity and satisfaction, protecting and securing your corporate assets, and reducing your exposure to compliance and audits, and helping you transition IT support costs into a variable operational expense. I think we're all familiar with this Gartner study. It's been re-released over the years and basically says that a well-managed, locked-down environment is significantly less to operate and run. What this says is basically that the purchase price of your desktop or laptop is only the tip of the iceberg. When we start adding in all of the operations, software, electricity, and user support required to make that investment productive, we start looking at quite a cost expenditure. So what does it take to make a laptop or a desktop locked down and secure? Well, we find that our IT professionals spend most of their time working on matters like antivirus or Windows patching. Oftentimes data backup and migration is important as well. Help desk technical support is a significant portion of the day-to-day activities of managing this remote PC fleet, along with remote systems administration, system monitoring, PC auditing, and PC device discovery. Also, when we consider the software that goes onto these devices, we're looking at a significant investment. Oftentimes, many IT organizations aren't really clear on how much software to purchase. There's a lot of hefty fines if you are running unlicensed software or software which you hadn't paid for. So we tend to overcompensate by overbuying. That is, we purchase software that isn't being used and deploy it to all of the desktops and notebooks, sort of like leaving the lights on in a house, just in case somebody's using that room. And talking about leaving the lights on, what about the actual energy consumption and power that those devices use? Are we taking into account some green initiatives, carbon savings, or just the cost of the electric bill? Numerous studies have revealed that by merely turning off monitors and PCs at night when not in use, and putting machines into low power setting modes when idle for 15 minutes or more, can significantly reduce the cost of electricity per device. The estimated savings has been calculated as much as $60 per device per year. Imagine $60 times the number of devices you have in your environment, how many thousands of dollars annually that would save you in electrical cost alone. All in all, what we're really talking about is the ongoing care and feeding of our PC fleet. Just like any other field asset, desktops and notebooks require ongoing maintenance, management, and support in order to remain finely tuned and productive. This is where Allied Digital comes in. Our core service components focus on the day-to-day running and maintain of your PC environment. By taking our best practices and expertise founded on the experience of over 250,000 devices worldwide, Allied Digital is uniquely qualified to provide superior service to your environment by delivering patch management, remote software distribution, online backup and profile migration, asset management, remote control, power management, device security monitoring, and software license monitoring and management, all delivered remotely through our cloud-based infrastructure, requiring zero infrastructure investment on your organization's part. We will host the entire solution in our SAS 70 Type 2 certified data center and present it to your client network through a VPN or by extending your MPLS link. Effectively, we will create a cloud-based management environment that will look like one more node on your network. It'll be dedicated and to managing your environment only. This SAS 70 Type 2 certified data center is managed from our ISO 27001 certified network operations center. The network operations center operates 24/7 and is monitored by skilled individuals with point expertise in the areas of asset management, software distribution, patching, and power management. We leverage the industry-recognized LANDesk management suite to remotely manage those devices, and we can also tie in other services such as remote service desk or field support if your organization requires. By leveraging our shared infrastructure, Allied Digital can bring to your organization the best practices and procedures of our experience of over 250,000 devices currently under management. This means best-in-class process and procedures fully documented standard operating procedures, customized detailed workflows, dedicated project management office, fully integrated service, including industry-recognized best-in-class tools, and customized client reporting portal. We're not a one-size-fits-all shop. Despite our size, we are tailored and ready to meet your specific expectations. We do this by using our policy-based management structure. By developing unique and individualized business policies for each individual customer, we're able to apply the units of change and change management to each organization and sub-organizations in a timely and effective manner. In this example, we've got a marketing business profile which requires specific applications for them to do their jobs, and we'll have a manufacturing department which will require a completely separate set of tools. As we all know, in large enterprise organizations, departments themselves can be like small businesses, with their own unique demands, requirements, and challenges. By leveraging our business profiling methodology, we're able to address each department and business unit as if they were our individual customers, while still leveraging our consolidated resources and standardization. And as individuals cross departments, we're able to assist them. In this example, we'll have an engineering person temporarily assigned to the marketing team to assist in building marketing collateral. Through a series of change orders, we'll be able to identify who this individual is, their expanded application list, and automatically push those licensed applications that this individual requires. The applications will be pushed leveraging the industry-leading LANDesk management suite. LANDesk leverages several bandwidth protection technologies such as bit-level restarts, in case it's a mobile user who has to interrupt during the middle of a download, pure downloads, allowing for a pull it once and deploy it many times, and LANDesk patented targeted multicast, which allows systems to actually pull the packets from the wire. Utilizing the same industry-leading tools, best practice, and business profiling methodologies, Allied Digital can help you maintain a high level of security within your organization. Our mature and proven patch management process will ensure that your organization maintains a high security profile without risk of affecting your end users' production work through patches breaking necessary applications. Allied Digital is here to provide managed results. SLA-driven patch policies will ensure that your environment is safe and secure, and also provide you with the reporting necessary to keep compliancy and audits in check. Additionally, our centrally managed antivirus and endpoint protection system provides world-class antivirus and anti-threat mitigation. Utilizing the latest antivirus technology, heuristic analyzation of threats, and host-based intrusion protection systems, Allied Digital will help keep your environment secure and virus-free. Allied Digital can also provide device security and monitoring, allowing your organization to protect itself from data leakage by encrypting USBs and other removable media such as CDs, DVDs, PCMCIA cards, and even those phones that people plug in. We can restrict access to ports including infrared, serial, parallel, FireWire, manage modems, PCMCIA, storage cards, and any other types of device plugged into your managed systems. Our removable media encryption service is flexible enough to provide your organization the level of security it requires with the minimum of impact to the end user. By setting encryption policies such as force encryption on all removable devices, down to optional encryption, Allied Digital can also help your organization take advantage of its existing investments, whether it be Lenovo's ThinkVantage technologies or provisioning and leveraging your Intel vPro investment. Allied Digital is ready to help you. And all of Allied Digital's services are wrapped up into our proprietary and customized reporting portal, giving the executive staff and operational teams alike easy and ready access into the activities that Allied Digital performs on your behalf. Allied's transparency policy is highlighted here in our reporting portal dashboard, giving your organization the ability to quickly audit our activities and look at the value that we provide. Whether it be applications installed, patches deployed, or hardware in place, Allied Digital's customized reporting portal will provide your organization the business intelligence they require to make demanding business decisions. Allied's fully customizable reports can include hardware reports, network reports, hardware change summaries, vulnerability reports, which can be drilled in by criticality, remote control history reports, and software distribution and utilization reports. The software utilization reports are invaluable to many of our customers during true-ups and software acquisition decisions. By looking at our utilization reports, we can very clearly see when software titles are underutilized or not utilized at all. All of these reports are easily downloaded into an Excel format for deeper digging and data mining. And our reporting team is ready to assist you with any ad hoc reports or customized reports that you may require. Whether utilizing our remote desktop management service with your own in-house help desk or combining it with our award-winning global service desk, the remote desktop management service provided by Allied Digital makes a powerful combination to any customer service organization, which will result in the net increase of user satisfaction while driving down the cost of management. And by employing Allied Digital's remote control functionality, help desk professionals can take secure, auditable remote takeovers to customers both on network and remote. Utilizing our policy-based permission systems, all remote takeover transactions will be monitored and logged to include who initiated the remote control action, the PC it was initiated from, the target system which is being controlled, and which user authorized the remote control. Furthermore, we have the ability to require end users provide authorization, ask end users for authorization if logged in only, or take over silently. Ultimately, it's up to your organization's security policy. We have the tools to enact it. So let Allied Digital's PC management experts take on the day-to-day IT management associated with a large PC fleet, freeing your in-house IT team to work on more strategic business initiatives. Our simple pay-per-system-per-month program allows you to enjoy the benefits of a fully managed desktop environment with a fixed monthly fee that adjusts as your system accounts grow or shrink, with no infrastructure investment, no licensing cost, and a fixed implementation fee. Thank you for viewing this presentation. If you have any follow-up questions, please use the contact information below this video.